Are you ready to turn your business idea into a real, legally protected company? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start an LLC. We're covering the 8 essential steps from choosing a name to keeping your LLC compliant. By the end, you'll have the confidence to launch your business officially. Imagine this: you've got an amazing business idea, but you're not sure how to make it official. Maybe you're worried about the legal stuff or protecting your personal assets. I get it. That's why I've created the step-by-step transformation framework. We'll break down the LLC formation process into simple milestones that'll take you from a nervous newbie to a confident business owner. Let's talk about why an LLC is so great. You will get personal asset protection, which means your house and savings are safe if something goes wrong with your business. Plus, you'll have some sweet tax options. Excited yet? Well, you should be. And to help you get started, I've put together a free LLC guide that you can download right now at llcblueprint.com/free guide. Plus, if you're ready to set up your LLC, I highly recommend checking out Northwest Registered Agents. They'll handle everything for you for just $39. And for your convenience, I put all the links down in the description of this video, so go ahead and check them out. And before we move on, please note that I do earn a small commission if you choose to shop through my affiliate links. It doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support my channel. So let's dive right in. All right, time to make your business real. First up, let's talk about choosing a name for your LLC. It's not just about picking something that sounds cool. Your LLC's name needs to follow state naming rules and be unique. You can't just copy another business name and call it a day. Most states require your LLC name to be distinguishable from existing businesses. This helps avoid confusion and potential legal issues down the road. Here's a pro tip. Make sure to include LLC or limited liability company in your business name. It's not just a fancy add-on, it's actually required by law. This addition tells everyone that your business is a limited liability entity, which is crucial for protecting your personal assets. Now, before you get your heart set on a name, you need to check if it's available. Most states have an online business name search tool. Use it to see if your dream name is up for grabs. But don't stop there. You should also do a trademark search. This extra step can save you from potential headaches if someone else has already trademarked the name you want. All right, so you've got your name sorted. What's next? Enter the registered agent. This might sound like some fancy business term, but it's actually pretty straightforward. A registered agent is a person or service that receives legal documents on behalf of your LLC. Think of them as your business's official mailbox for important stuff. Every LLC needs a registered agent with a physical address in the state where your business is formed. You could be your own registered agent, but many entrepreneurs choose to hire a professional service. Why? Well, it ensures you don't miss any important legal documents and help keep your personal address off public records. Now, let's talk about the Articles of Organization. This is the document that officially brings your LLC to life. It includes basic info about your business like your LLC name, registered agent's details, and the names of your LLC's members. Filing this document is what transforms your idea into a real, recognized business entity. Filing fees for the Articles of Organization vary by state, typically ranging anywhere from $50 to $500. Many states now offer online filing options, making the process quicker and easier. Remember, the Articles of Organization are legal documents that outline basic information about your business. It's the birth certificate of your LLC, so to speak. By completing these initial steps, choosing a unique name, designating a registered agent, and filing your Articles of Organization, you're not just dreaming about a business anymore. You're creating a real, legally recognized entity. It's the first big leap from idea to reality. All right, so now that your LLC exists on paper, it's time to give it a backbone. Did you know there's a secret weapon that can prevent your business partnership from falling apart? It's not what you might think, and it's something many new entrepreneurs overlook entirely. I'm talking about the LLC Operating Agreement. So think of an operating agreement as the rule book for your business. It outlines how your LLC will be run, who's responsible for what, and how you'll handle important decisions. This document is crucial, especially if you're starting your business with partners. It helps prevent misunderstandings and potential disputes down the road. So what should your operating agreement include? Well, first, you'll want to detail how profits and losses will be distributed among members. This is super important to avoid any confusion or arguments about money later on. Next, you'll outline the voting rights of each member. This ensures everyone knows their role in decision-making processes. The operating agreement should also cover procedures for adding or removing members. Trust me, you'll be glad you thought about this in advance if your business grows or if a partner decides to leave. Lastly, clearly define the roles and responsibilities of each member. This keeps everyone on the same page about who is doing what in the business. Now, here's something interesting. Even if you're the only member of your LLC, creating an operating agreement is still a smart move. It formalizes your management structure and operational procedures, which can be really helpful if you ever need to prove that your LLC is a separate entity from yourself. All right, let's move on to another crucial step, getting your employer identification number, or EIN for short. Think of an EIN as a social security number, but for your business. It's essential if your LLC has more than one member, if you plan to hire employees, or if you simply want to open a business bank account. Now, the good news, getting an EIN is free and pretty straightforward. You can apply online through the IRS website. This number is super important for various business operations, and it's how the IRS identifies your business for tax purposes. Now, speaking of finances, let's talk about why opening a separate business bank account is a must. This isn't just about looking professional. It's about protecting your personal assets. When you mix personal and business finances, you risk piercing the corporate veil, which is a fancy way of saying you could lose the liability protection that an LLC provides. So when you're ready to open your business bank account, you'll typically need to bring a few things with you: your EIN, articles of organization, operating agreements, and personal identification. This process helps establish your LLC as a separate entity from yourself, which is crucial for maintaining liability protection. By taking these steps, creating an operating agreement, getting an EIN, and opening a separate business bank account, you are not just going through the motions. You're transforming your LLC from a simple legal entity into a well-structured, professionally managed business. And this is where things start to feel real. All right, so you've got your LLC set up on paper. Great job. But hold on a second. There's a crucial step between setting up your LLC and actually opening up your doors. It's a step that varies widely depending on where you are and what you do. And getting it wrong could cost you big time. I'm talking about licenses and permits. Let's dive into this final, often overlooked piece of the puzzle. Depending on your industry and location, you might need specific licenses or permits to operate legally. For example, if you're starting a restaurant, you'll need health permits. A construction company, you're looking at contractor licenses. The tricky part is that these requirements can change from state to state and even city to city. So how do you figure out what you need? Start by checking with your state's Secretary of State office. They usually have resources to guide you through the process. You'll also want to look into local requirements. Your city or county office is a good place to start. Don't forget about federal licenses too, especially if you're in industries like agriculture, alcohol, or aviation. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds like a lot of work. And you're right, it can be. But here's the thing. Getting these licenses and permits isn't just about following rules. It's about protecting your business and building trust with your customers. When you have all the right paperwork, you're showing the world that you're serious about your business and committed to doing things right. All right, let's talk about something else that's super important: maintaining LLC compliance. Getting your LLC up and running is great, but keeping it compliant is an ongoing process. Most states require you to file annual reports. These reports usually include basic information about your business and sometimes a fee. It's like a yearly check-in to let the state know that your business is still active. Keeping proper records is another big part of compliance. You should be tracking all your business transactions, keeping meeting minutes if you have multiple members, and documenting any major decisions. This might sound like a hassle, but trust me, it's worth it. Good record keeping can save you tons of headache if you ever face legal issues or tax audits. Now, I know all this compliance stuff can feel overwhelming. That's where professional services like Northwest Registered Agents come in handy. They can help manage your ongoing compliance needs, making sure you don't miss any important deadlines or requirements. It's like having a business compliance expert on your team without the full-time salary. Using a service like Northwest's can be a game changer, especially when you're just starting out. They can keep track of your filing dates, help prepare your annual reports, and even provide you with a registered agent service. This way, you can focus on actually running your business instead of getting bogged down in paperwork. By completing these final steps, getting your licenses and permits, and setting up a system for ongoing compliance, you're not just planning a business anymore. You're becoming a fully operational, legally compliant business owner. It's a big transformation, and it's one you should be proud of. All right, so we've covered the essential steps to starting an LLC. It might have seemed overwhelming at first, but now you've got the knowledge to make it happen. Remember, forming an LLC isn't just about paperwork. It's about protecting your assets and setting your business up for success. Now, if you're ready to take the next step and start your LLC, I've got a great deal for you. I've partnered with Northwest Registered Agents to offer an exclusive deal for you guys. They'll handle all the paperwork and make sure everything's done right for just $39. That's a steal for the peace of mind you will get. To take advantage of this offer, just click the link in the description of this video. Northwest will guide you through the whole process, making it easy and stress-free. Don't wait. Take control of your entrepreneurial journey today. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.